Hey, what's up guys? How are you? Today I am very happy because I have successfully integrated Unity Ads 4.19.0 in Sketchware after doing a lot of hard work. About 4 to 5 days. Okay, let's see. There are a lot of local lists used in this project to comply with Sketchware. About 40 lists used in this project. So let's see how many local lists used in this project to comply with Sketchware. So let's select all. Now you can see guys, there are 44 local lists used in this project to comply with Sketchware. I also excluded a built-in library that is 220 Kotlin stdlib. So don't so kindly ignore my mistake. Okay, also I have added some custom permissions. Go to Android manifest permissions. These are 3 custom permissions, and app components there are so many. Okay, and 2 XML command blocks. Okay guys, now you can see. So after doing a lot of hard work, I got success. During creating this project, I faced a lot of bugs such as runtime crash or compile time issue. A lot of bugs. I have also take some screenshot and capture some log cat and save it for this video. So let's see how many bugs I faced during this project. Don't worry, we will provide this SWV file after 3 to 5 days after fixing all bugs. Means there are some bugs in this project. We will try to fix it as soon as possible within 5 days. Okay, so let's see how many bugs we found during creating this project and how we solve it. So guys, now you can see this is first type of error, that is duplicate files from 2 libraries. Okay, this is first. This is runtime issue, means there is no compile time issue, that is this is runtime issue, means class not found exception. You can see this class not found exception in Unity ads. So let's see some logs captured by logcat. So guys, this log captured means I captured this logs at least 50 times during creating this project. What is this? Means what what issue in this project, means now you can see issue captured by logcat. Okay, here means here what is this portion means Unity Ads SDK encountered an exception. Android open measurement repository.kt. So I have do my great to fix this error. Still there are some bugs. I am currently fixing it. So don't worry. Make sure you have subscribed my YouTube channel. First time means make sure you have subscribed my YouTube channel for latest project, that is Google Auth B3. latest method for Google sign in. Firebase characteristics to captured runtime crashes. Oh, Firebase app check, Firebase analytics, and we will provide so means a lot of product upon Sketchware. So kindly subscribe my YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon and please share this video in your ordinary group such as WhatsApp, Telegram, etc. Okay, share with your Sketchware fans. So goodbye, my friends.
अरे क्या कभी आपको पैसे की कमी